Agriculture is very important to us. Without agriculture, we will not be able to survive. Imagine if we have to live on scientific food alone. Not only will our lives be more complicated, but we will not be full. In spite of that, it is puzzling why some people regard agriculture as an occupation of insubstantial significance and not highly respected. In fact, agriculture is vital to our existence and well-being, not only in terms of food supply, but also for other aspects of our lives. Furthermore, agriculture is not just simply putting seeds into the soil and wait for desired yields. The process involves integrating different areas of knowledge, starting from placing seeds into the soil to taking care of the plants until they provide produce. One needs to apply their knowledge and past experiences to agricultural practices. Referring to the royal remark above, it is evident that His Majesty King Bhumibol Adulyadej had been giving priority to agricultural knowledge, such as the new theory, the establishment of agricultural learning centers, or royal development study centers throughout the country in the form of Living Natural Museum, which is the presentation of development guidelines of His Majesty King Bhumibol Adulyadej. For example, soil development and improvement, systematic water resource management, and the setting of master plans. This is to define concrete development guidelines for specific areas based on integrated development methods, focusing on collaboration and mutual support among government sectors, private sectors, and individuals in order to achieve sustainable development. The people in Thailand are very fortunate to have such a great king who was always caring for the well-being of his citizens. The royal grace of His Majesty King Bhumibol Adulyadej also extended to the neighboring countries. For instance, the Integrated Farming Demonstration Plot project, Champasak University, Laos People's Democratic Republic, is one of the royal projects that the Chai Patana Foundation has provided assistance in terms of agricultural knowledge in a style of Living Natural Museum. Students at Champasak University are able to learn and increase their agricultural skills there. Meanwhile, the general public can apply the knowledge from this project to their farmland, which will eventually enable them to achieve sustainable self-reliance. The operation focuses on the provision of integrated agricultural knowledge, including water resource development, systematic water resource management, and creation of ponds to reserve water for agriculture, soil development, soil improvement, and appropriate use of fertilizers for specific plant varieties, development of plant varieties, namely rice, fruit trees, vegetables, perennial plants, grafting method, seeds and mushroom cultivation, livestock development, goat raising, swine breeding, layered chicken and duck breeding, and growing grass tests, fishery development, building of fish breeding stations and fish ponds to demonstrate the breeding of fish strands before releasing them into the rivers. Throughout the project operation since establishment, all parties have offered effective collaboration, and as a result, people have acquired lots of helpful knowledge and benefits from the project. Thus, development of this kind has also expanded to other areas. For instance, Nong Tao Agriculture Forest Service and Development Center, Ban Phon Sim, Sawarnakhet Province, and Pak Song Highland Agricultural Development and Study Center, Champasak Province, Laos People's Democratic Republic. The achievement of these royal projects has led to better relationship, more mutual assistance and support, which brings about love, peace, happiness, and solid friendship between the two countries. This celebrated outcome can happen anywhere in this world, as it did happen here. The implementation of various projects is aimed towards bringing happiness to the people at large, regardless of their nationalities. When a country and its people are happy, peace and tranquility will prosper. This is not limited only to Thailand. If the people live happily and decently, security will prevail in that country. From this royal remark, it can be acknowledged that not only Thai citizens, but also the people in neighboring countries have appreciated the royal grace of His Majesty King Bhumibol Adulyadej, who was always determined to see his people attain happiness, prosperity, and well-being in a sustainable manner.